Well, hello, welcome to Money with Mark Albert. Today we celebrate 1 year anniversary of my YouTube channel. And I just want to share the stats with you and thank you all for your participation in it. So today, August 29, 2019 is the 1 year anniversary. And in the last year, we have 281 subscribers. I want to thank you, all you subscribers who've been with me and have subscribed. In terms of views, in terms of video views, there's been 17,893 video views. The overall watch time in this last year was 48,800 minutes. So in terms of the hours, it's 813 hours. And just recently, 100 videos there. So basically, every 4 days we have a new video in terms of the average. So 100 videos, so that was a goal I had. Really have enjoyed doing these videos. Thank you so much for watching. And look forward to the next year. And then next year on the anniversary, we will also do an update on that. Listen, thank you so much for being part of this channel and part of this community, for sharing and liking and participating. Listen, have a great day and look forward to talking to you again soon. Bye now.